Hey GM,
Yes.
how can we handle people that are not into that spiritual understanding of life? Is it better to ignore them in the sense of not talking about these things with them? Or should we offer them something to think about? What is your opinion on it?
Oh, I don't have an opinion on it, but what I can tell you that in my experience, it is always better to wait for someone to ask a question. Spiritual matters are a personal thing, very, very deep personal matter for anyone and everyone that is on a spiritual path. If someone doesn't ask you a question regarding these matters, you shouldn't even bring it up. Let them ask a question and then answer it if you can. In my experience, someone walking up to you and blurting out opinions and tutorials and teachings and trying to tell someone something, whether it's real or true or not, is irrelevant. But unless someone asks a question, and in that realm of asking a question, I mean, even if you go in and do a public talk and someone rocks up as part of the audience, they are there to hear some answers. So they've asked a question. The question for them is purely a matter of being there. They are there to hear what you have said. So, long story short, long answer short, if someone comes to see you and to listen to you talk, that's fantastic. That's from their will and their actions. If someone asks you a question and you tell them, that's great. They've asked the question, they have instigated the conversation. But to try and push your own information, your own experiences on someone who hasn't asked the question is no better than a religious person knocking on your door on a Sunday afternoon to tell you about Jesus when you might not be interested. So no, just wait until they ask. If they don't ask, don't bring it up. It's a personal thing and just leave it at that. That's my answer.